Oh, my head! A headache! My headache! Go away, headache! Do you get headaches? I know I do. I get headaches when I eat certain foods or have muscle tension or sleep deprivation, especially when I eat things like raisins, Parmesan cheese, aged cheeses, citric acid, gummies, sour cream, pudding, chocolate. Those all give me headaches. But there's two things I've done this year that have made a big difference in the amount of headaches I get. One is trampoline exercises. There's 3 trampoline exercises I try to do on warm days out on the trampoline for about 10 minutes. And that really makes my head just feel less prone to getting headaches. The other is a simple dietary change I made at the beginning of this year. And that seems to make a really huge difference. I'm going to share what that is at the end of the video. So the 3 exercises I do on the trampoline are the low bounce. That's just kind of warming up to the trampoline, getting my head used to bouncing up and down. Then the high bounce. Once I get warmed up, I'll jump as high as I can over and over, really get like a good cardio exercise. And then finally, my favorite trampoline exercise is the back bounce, where I'll bounce on my back onto my feet over and over, kind of feeling like a Ninja Turtle. I don't do these exercises when I already have a headache, but doing these exercises daily for about 10 minutes seems to help my body a lot to prevent me from getting headaches in the first place. So now I'm going to demonstrate for you these 3 trampoline exercises: the low bounce, the high bounce, and the back bounce. So I start off doing the low bounce. And then once I feel warmed up, I do the high bounce. And finally, I like to do the back bounce. So there you have it. There are the 3 exercises I try to do regularly for about 10 minutes a day when it's sunny outside to help prevent me from getting more headaches. And it's really made my head feel more fit. I feel more like when I was a teenager, when I could jump and go on the swing and I wouldn't feel like my brain was swishing around in my skull. You made it to the end of the video. Good job. Now I'm going to share with you the single biggest trick I have done since the beginning of the year, and I've had only about 1 headache for the last 3 months. It's been amazing. The one thing I've done is avoid eating chocolate. Just 100% say I'm not going to eat any more chocolate. There's a lot of trigger foods for me. Citric acid, wheat thins, a bunch of different types of cheese and dairy and all sorts of different things. But for some reason, if I just eliminate chocolate out of my diet and then am cautious about avoiding other trigger foods, it helps me not get a headache. So I think dietary, like by not eating your trigger foods, that's probably one of the best ways to avoid headaches. But I think that bouncing on a trampoline and getting regular exercise is another great way to help you avoid getting headaches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. I love you guys.